Closing tools. Now, it's important to calculate the options, to break it down into the smallest detail, or to elaborate and emphasize on the long-term savings when you're closing a deal. This may work when you're comparing two different options, similar to using the 3-payment option to close a deal. It's very important for you to break it down to the smallest quantity. So for instance, if the customer is going to pay $100 a month and there's two different vehicles, don't emphasize or don't elaborate on the $100 a month, elaborate on $50 per car. If the initial payment is going to be $350 for those two cars, then divide the $350 into two, which is most likely going to be $175 per car. So don't emphasize on $350, emphasize on, look, it's going to cost you $50 a month and $175 per car. You're breaking it down into the smallest quantity. If they're making a payment, let's say $600 for the whole year, break it down into $100 per month. If there's 3 or 4 different vehicles, break down the total, either the monthly payment or the initial payment, into all the vehicles so that they could actually evaluate the smallest quantity versus the actual total. The second step is elaborate and calculate the total savings long term. So for instance, if you're saving the client $50 a month, don't just tell them, look, it's $50 a month. Multiply 50 times 12, which is 600, and emphasize on how much money they're saving through the course of the year. $600, sir, is a lot of money. Matter of fact, everyone qualifies for $100 to $200 through the course of the year. You're qualifying for $600. That's fantastic. You're saving $50 a month, sir. Those $50, I could guarantee you that you're going to use them for another bill, correct? I'm pretty sure you have other bills. I'm pretty sure you can use those $50 every single month for something else. So elaborate on the savings, not only on a monthly basis, but elaborate on how much money they're going to save through the rest of the year. Compare the savings with other customers that are saving a lot less to add value to the savings that they're saving. Also, elaborate on the fact that whatever they're saving every single month is money that they could use towards other bills, other payments, other expenses. So you're selling the idea of savings not only by calculating, but also by comparing that amount that they're saving and utilizing that amount into other different bills. So once again, break it down to the smallest detail and elaborate long term so that customers could actually see the benefit of savings. This is a closing tool, once again, when you're comparing two different options, or simply when you're saving the customer a lot of money, or when there's multiple vehicles, multiple drivers, so you could actually break it down and emphasize on the smallest quantity instead of the actual total.